Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. How are you guys? Happy Friday. I hope no one is going to blow account today. Hello, let me close the door. Give me 1 second. Perfect Friday. Finally, my son's birthday on Sunday is going to be 6. So, yeah, big boy already, like 6 years. Wow, crazy. Should I blow my account today? Preferably now. You should not. It's Nathan's birthday, not Daniel. Then Daniel's birthday was in January 18. So yeah, it's Nathan's birthday. He's going to be 6. Okay, guys. Any trades so far? NQ, ES, CL, gold, maybe some forex pair, maybe silver. Any trades? Okay, let's talk about gold. So I'm not interested right now talking about NQ. So we took Tuesday. Remember we talked about this yesterday? We took Tuesday low, right? Over here, sell side. Let me rename to Tuesday low. And we got reaction. What else? Let's take a look at this daily candle. So we want to think about how daily candle usually forms. So open, low, high, close, or open, low, high, low, close, right? So in order to at least try to confirm potential direction of daily candle, we need to get change in the state of delivery. This means, okay, let's talk about potential bullish candle, ideally bullish candle. I would like to be bullish today. So we got open, price traded down, the test of Tuesday low again, right? So can I say we got confirmed framework for distribution? Ideally, yes, I would like to say we got confirmed framework for distribution after we got order block. So that's nice. We got order block, basically open, low. Between open and low, we call this range as framework for distribution. And we got confirmed order block by change in the state of delivery on hourly. What else? We got retest. We got double, I call this double sweep. We got double sweep, right? So in our task right now, if we want to like look for potential hourly sweep, to find something on 5-minute chart. Okay, I'm going to switch on 5-minute chart. Structure not the best, like 50-50. Let me, by the way, move like this. I'm going to explain right now what I'm thinking right now about potential move. Okay, on 5-minute chart, structure kind of like 50-50, not the best. Okay, switching on 3-minute chart. Once again, we got double sweep on hourly. 1, 2. Exactly same situation happened on 30-minute chart. 1, 2. Like triple sweep. 3, right? Okay, we got potential sweep. Once again, we got retest of hourly OB, which is inside framework for distribution on daily. You know, changing the state of delivery is order block. Are you serious? No way. How did I live without this information? Well, I will continue. Okay, we're still inside framework for distribution, and I would like to find entry within this framework for distribution. So basically, we got potential sweep confirmed by 3-minute order block. Yeah. 3-minute OB. Top. So see the entry over here. Let's compare this with, let me divide my screen, MGC. Picture quite the same, but a bit different situation happened on micro gold. So we got 3-minute order block. Unfortunately, it failed to offer initial order block on gold, but we got this order block on micro gold. So I'm looking for the long like this. And we have equal highs. Okay, like this, at least. What do you think, guys, about this trade? I trade Apex, so it's not scam. So I'm looking for the action from hourly OB, Tuesday high, and I'm aiming for equal highs. Guys, ideas. How do you like the setup? So once again, picture's quite different on micro gold and gold, but structure remains the same on both. So I will keep my eyes on equal highs right now. Yes, it's not 2-hour trade, but still, I would like to keep my eyes on these equal highs. And 2-hour is good. Let's see, where's 2-hour? Give me 1 second. I'm going to see what level we have there. 1 second. Pretty close to the equal highs. Let's see what level we have there. Nothing. We're trying to respect volume and balance so far. Okay. Oops. Trying to compare, like gold and micro gold, because sometimes it's really different. Okay, also we got... I will analyze a little bit on micro gold. Give me 1 second. So we got potential for our sweep. Switching on 15-minute chart. Okay, this potential for our sweep also confirmed by 15-minute order block. I know, I like higher. I like setup that I mentioned before, so nothing changed. I like the setup on 15-minute chart. I like the setup on 5-minute chart. I like the setup on 3-minute chart. So guys, I like this trade. At least to equal highs. Okay, 1 second. Yes, I like this. Would like to see equal highs. Once again, I'm not aiming like for like big move right now. I just would like to see equal highs taken. We have untapped fair value gap on 2 hours as well. Let's see how it goes. Oops, sorry guys. Oh, I don't need to just extend this, okay. Let's see if we take equal highs. You said you're looking for the drop to 85 first. I don't think it's really matter. Mhm. Yeah, it's unmitigate, like untested order block so far. Even if it wants to like retrace, I would like to see still equal highs. So I'm not looking for like big move up today. I'm not sure about this big move up yet. So I see this as a resistance level, as barrier for price to go um higher. So I'm not aiming for like more than this. Gold. Yeah, I was watching chart today on hourly. Overall picture is so ugly. I agree with you. Kind of choppy, but for scalp maybe. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check in Q and ES because I was trying to figure out what kind of bias I have on NQ and ES. I have no idea. I don't have even pre-market plan for today because when I was watching this, I was like, um, I don't know what I want to see because we simply stuck inside yesterday, I would say AM session range. Just maybe not worth it overall to watch this just yet. Guys, what kind of bias you have on NQ and ES? I would like to short gold from this range. I don't want to short right now. I just feel like it's going to be reversal from nowhere. I'm watching this move up to equal highs and a 2 hour fair value gap. So as I said before, I have no idea what kind of bias I have on NQ and ES. I was trying to find any like setup. No, not for me. Just I don't know. It's quite choppy. So here's the long. That's it. I'm looking for only a move to equal highs and maybe like 2R over here. That's it. That's the trade. I don't see any other setups. All I know, I'm not going to short right now. I'm in this long only because we need to take these equal highs. And I will look for short again from this 2 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I have no idea about bias on um NQ and ES. Let's check real quick what we have on 15-minute chart. Oh, let me like this. Okay. Oh, anyway, we're trying to dispute trend line right now. I don't think it's a big deal, honestly, but still, I would like to see slightly higher first. Yeah, trying to like respect trend line. Anyway, I will short only from 2 hour fair value gap simply because we have equal highs there. And once again, I'm not sure about bias on NQ and ES. I mean, I wish I can find something, but no. It's hourly chart. Like, let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. It's hourly chart. No idea. No idea. Like, look how not in sync ES and NQ right now. ES definitely like more bullish than bearish. It created new all-time high, while NQ said, no, 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 no. Let's just chop around. Like, let's do absolutely nothing. Why? Because. So, not sure about bias. I highlighted New York midnight open and London high. Definitely be trading inside this triangle. Yeah, sorry about this. This kind of pattern ideas, but range becoming tight. Just I don't know, like feels like not worth to look for this trade, any trades right now, and still be trading inside this garbage. Once again, I see we got potential 30-minute and hourly sweep as reaction from trend line, but that's pretty much it. I only see reaction from trend line. We still have liquidity levels higher, like equal highs higher, as well as we have 2-hour fair value gap. So all I know, I'm not going to short from this area. It's not short area in my opinion. Short area is only this 2-hour fair value gap. So even if it wants to be like potential sweep confirmed by 3-minute OB, I would like to have any structure for this. I don't see the structure yet. You know, small size. I'm not. All I know, I'm not going to trade in Q today. Gold, and that's it. Yeah, quite choppy right now. I mean, that's fine. How many points away it was from equal highs? 1.7, 1.6. Crazy, but it's okay. That's equal lows from yesterday. But yeah, guys, no need to trade big size. Even if you like trade regularly, like let's say 10 micros, 15 micros, 1 mini, I don't recommend to do this. Like Friday is hard, especially looking at NQ, even gold, like yes, like lives here on life, but it's quite choppy, quite choppy. So, trade couple of micros, like 3, 5 micros. This is what I'm going to do. It was 1.5 R. It's break even area. It's basically free trade right now. Must be according to rules. Like if 1.5 R break even. It was actually. Come on, gold. I only ask for equal highs. And that's it. I'm not even asking for 2R. I mean, preferably, but no. Someone's told me like check YM. Oh, let me delete some levels from here. It's like old levels on my chart. Yes. Yes. Set some alerts. YM and ES bullish, while NQ just 50% of trade. Oh, you did good job. You just it respected trend line, I guess. Like yes. Good risk management. I'm okay. I'm okay to take break even anyway. If nothing, then nothing. Just trying to find bias on oops, I'm sorry guys. Trying to find bias right now on YM. At least maybe it will be in the direction with ES. Maybe we will find setup on ES on or YM, but not going to check. And Q not going to even try to track in Q. We have potential hourly sweep. Do we? Not really. Okay, let's switch on 30-minute chart. No structure right now to long OIM. It's either needs to close above sequence of down. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. Sequence of down close candles to long this to pre-market high, or just break this low. Otherwise, like no interest in this at all. I'm watching silver setup as well, guys. Silver more choppy than gold, but I'm looking long on both. Ideas, guys. Who looking for trade on silver? I had this setup like maybe 15 minutes ago. Not sure which I like more, like gold or silver, because both quite choppy right now. Hard to say. No, I'm not on this silver trade. No, I was looking for this trade. I was trying to decide if I want to trade gold or silver. I know, like I'm. I feel like I'm more bullish. No, I'm bullish on both assets, like gold and silver, to take this 2 hour fair value gap. This 2 hour fair value gap, but I know, like where's silver? Silver structure like initially looked better, but I wasn't sure about the target. I still not sure about the target. Like we have equal highs as well over here, right? Both quite choppy. TJF on ES. Hard to say about setup on TJF, but yes, I believe we can get TJF setup on ES like before the market open. Let me see. Oh, you want to see TJF like right now, right? Like right at market open? Like London, Asia low will be taken. Here's TJF for we don't have TJF for NQ definitely, but we have TJF for ES like 64.84. Maybe for ES, yes. I have no idea about NQ. As I already said, like comparing hourly charts on both ES and NQ, look how bullish, actually how bullish ES and YM, like overall, right? And how looks NQ right now. Not sure about setup to trade something on NQ. Just not for me, probably. Okay, market is going to open in 18 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to highlight 9 a.m. open because empty model still can play out today. Who actually knows, right? But still, I have no interest right now in trading this. What I can like, maybe something like this. I can like, but not anything else. Who is bullish on NQ today? At least to take London high. Should you where you entered on gold? Tell me the price. So basically, break-even area according to the setup is going to be at 33.85.50. So that's break-even area. If you entered like higher, I believe stop loss must be at 33.85.50 because that's break-even area once again, or you just can close at break-even and re-enter later. Let's cheat on an EQ. I'm doing this for the last 3 months. Yeah, I mean on NQ, what I meant for NQ, I meant like lower then potential retracement higher again. Something like this. So only at this point we can like get empty model for long. I don't think he shorted long gold, honestly. I think like he was in long because before this he said like he took a partial, so probably he's long. I prefer like to close at break even and re-enter again if I see like better entry. This is personal preference. Funny, it was quite close to this equal highs, then deep retracement down, which I don't really like. But once again, that's fine. I will be happy to close at break even and re-enter later. Maybe it will offer better entry, who knows. Right now, I'm trying to compare micro gold and gold because sometimes you have big difference. And yes, for example, even this morning, this setup was presented on micro gold, but never was presented on gold. So only setup on gold, same setup on gold occurred only over here because we got displacement, basically closure above the down close candle only over here. While on micro gold, we got this closure with this up close candle, right? So entry quite different. We have some SMTs at highs and lows. Still disappointed to see how it failed to take equal highs. But all I can say right now on 3-minute chart, this week doesn't look normal. This one looks quite choppy. But once again, I would rather to close at break even to re-enter later. It's going to be smart. You want to short trade continuation on oil. Which setup? Like closure below 906 candle. This setup. Sorry guys. Closure below this level. Continuation. Indicators. I have video about this, so you can check on my YouTube channel. Calls ICT indicators. Okay, stop me out at break even. Okay. No, just stop me at break even. Not anymore. They look for the entry now. Again. If 1.5R, I must move at break even. Exactly happened over here. Hate situation like this when it happens. It always annoying, but it's okay. We'll try again. I would like to see equal highs anyway. If not right now, I will wait for another entry. Just stop me at break even. I don't like, like be close to TP and then just break even. It's okay. This is how we manage our risk. We got the test of 3-minute OB, right? What else we have? We have nothing. Just test of 3-minute OB. Which one? How about flat candle on which one? You mean over here? Let's see. I'm still surprised to see how it failed to take equal highs, just reverse. But once again, break even is better than just wait for full stop loss. OB? Yeah, I see. Like on gold we got flat candle. On micro gold it didn't offer flat candle. We'll wait for the entry. Let me move. I still, like this early OB, how we tested and how it gave us reaction, but reaction wasn't perfect. But in reality, we just expected trend line, right? It's okay. It's okay. Right now, I see nothing anymore. I don't want to short this move. I really want to look for short from this area. It was my short area for downside. It just reversed like 1.6. Yeah, almost 2 points away from equal highs and 2 hour fair value gap. We don't have any other PD raise. Okay. We look for the entry now. It must be break even at any point. We got exactly 1.5 R. On CL, we don't have continuation just yet. Like looking for the closure. Okay, let's see. It's 9:20. We may get something new today. But still, I would like to trade gold more. 9:40s. We have low resistance to downside, upside, right? We got the test of 3-minute order block on both assets. Yes, gold and micro gold. Yeah, like I know. I feel like I feel like it was quite deep retracement for move higher. It's trying to build once again low resistance to upside. So what can happen if it wants to take this low first? We'll offer new potential zip. Okay, I will take this. Like it's fine. You're looking for long 33.27. Can you please give me the price on futures? Not on long anymore. Close to break even. Like one tick profit. Not to pay for commission. It was so close to TP. That's so annoying. It's okay. So it's Friday, so come on. I will look just for another entry. Let's see what will happen first. They want to take these lows to offer new setup to this equal highs. Let's see. Because I have some rhythmic connections, I cannot connect my rhythmic accounts to TradingView. I mean, I don't know how. Yeah, you got perfect partial. As I said before, like overall structure was kind of tricky. You haven't received any gear? Okay, I'm going to check then. That's strange. I will check. With respect to trend line, that was only the action that I saw, like, and can consider for potential move down. That's it. So ideally, I wanted to short as well, but I wanted to. My plan was like, okay, I will long for to this equal highs to short from this area, somewhere from this area. Not sure exact point, but it was my initial plan. Good morning. Good morning. Gambling Friday. Woohoo! On Q lower than higher. On Q would like to see lower first. Interesting. I see like ES trying to drop, but ES has room to go lower definitely. NQ trying to drop. YM trying to drop. Gold's trying to drop. Power for value gap. Let me check. This one? We don't have bearish order block yet. So since it was high, right? So I will consider order block only below this sequence of up close candles. I hope to get another opportunity between 950 and 1010 to try again. So far, it just closed and break even. It is what it is. Oh, 3-minute chart. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. I just didn't want to like stick to my plan like all the time. Yes. SMT, ICT, SMT by Fadi. But really, like what made sense initially to me when when I was looking for this long on gold is okay. We got framework for distribution on daily candle. We got hourly OB. We're trying to just pick this hourly OB where we can go to untapped fair value gap onto our chart. For example, by its 2 chart, I was looking for equal highs mostly at 33.94.9. You want to gamble this trade? No, 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 you don't want to do this. Another opportunity for long, in my opinion, so I will consider long again above this blue line. Like another chance to enter trade. Over here, stop loss swing low. Target is equal highs again. That's it. I'm not interested in longing right now. Just tricky spot, like dangerous spot probably. On CL, I don't see continuation lower setup yet. Asia low, previous day low taken. Which asset? Yes. NQ? Gold? Yesterday we took Tuesday low. It was my plan. That's why I was looking for long from previous day low level. I mean Tuesday low level. So this is what happened yesterday. After this, I was watching the action back to premium. That's why overall I want to see higher today to this equal highs. Like when I woke up and was trying to do top down analysis, my plan was I will long like this. So far didn't play. We'll try again. Maybe something like this. No, not in the trade. I need to get the closure, like 3-minute order block, long to equal highs. I wasn't this long initially, but it stopped me out at break even. Waiting for the closure. It's like maybe. Need to get order block first to long this. Otherwise, no thank you. So no trades yet. Just nothing to show you guys. As you can see, it just stuck and chop. Basically, we stuck between two order blocks on 3-minute chart. This one and this one. But also we expect trend line on 15-minute chart over here. So this possible long will be valid only above the closure with formation of 3-minute OB. Otherwise, I wouldn't long this. I only see this as another opportunity to enter. I don't see any other opportunities yet. Well, we have some equal lows lower as well, just in case it wants to drop first. Oops. Equal lows. Just in case it wants to drop first, I will look like 3377.8, 5 points away so far. Delete for now, it's not order block, so nothing to trade. But pretty much similar reaction this morning I anticipate to get from equal highs. It's criminal, illegal, it's scam price action here. hard. Mentally hard sometimes to accept this. You don't want to touch the gold. But like NQ also, I would say NQ needs to drop. Okay. Yeah, of course. Gold, not gold. ES still has room to go lower. So ES target key level is 6484.50. It's painful because I want to look for short, exact same short from equal highs first. I don't mind to short, just I feel like this retracement up and reaction done was from nowhere, like trend line. That's it. Low distance liquidity, let me check. Yeah, basically you broke trend line. I just triangle, you know. You're right about low resistance move. So far, I believe we have M2 model for long, not short. Interesting to say how gold, ES, NQ, and YM goes in the same direction. It's painful. My target on gold was over here, like over here. See? Perfect long, I was up almost 7 points and stopped me at break even. Yes, I know what is pain. What kind of pain you have right now? Yeah, it's okay. I need to change my blue color because it's hard to see on green candle. How to do this? That's the question. Not here, I guess. My target was equal highs as well. You're not alone. How to? Okay, maybe double click. Oh yeah, I found it. Buy. Let's do this darker. Yeah, like this. You want to see what do you mean previous week low level? Wasn't they? I believe it's taken, no? Oh no. It's not going to drop there. Oh, it's in Q. Yeah, I'm betting in Q not going to drop to previous week low level. Yeah, previous week low level taken on gold. It's okay. Yeah, I got it. Right below equal lows. I will delete from gold because right now charting on micro gold. Just still keep this as, you know, like confirmation. $5 more straight, one micro. We don't have nano contracts, unfortunately, just one micro on ES. I use 3 and 5 minute chart, like something there. I don't trade first percent fair value gap, so nothing to share. NQ model, M2 model on NQ is going to be long, but no setup for this just yet. Yeah, gold playing games. Definitely like feels like right now more bearish than bullish. I closed like 1 second profit just not to pay for commission. I wasn't this long, as you can see. I closed at break even. I was up like 7 points. Entered over here. When I saw like the huge rejection, obviously I closed at I moved at break even. My initial stop loss was over here, below this green candle, basically a flat candle on gold. When I saw rejection week like this, it was already like not normal week, right? Move at break even. Like once again, 1 second profit. Looking for the entry again. I still consider my entry was pretty much solid, but it's annoying. It is what it is. I was aiming for equal highs over here. It was 1.6 points away. Disappointed. Beat. Yeah, move at break even. You're going. It's going to be smart move. Once again, it's trying to build low resistance to upside, but we still have zero structure to long again. So I mean to the enter again. I'm going to sit on my hand just for now. I'm up $2. Let me count my millions, guys. I will look at it for the entry. So once again, we have equal lows and yeah, previous daily level lower. Maybe it's going to be sharp move down. Maybe. I know. Let's see. In Q short right now, what level would you like to aim for? ES short to 6484.50. Let me type in the chat. ES TGIF 64684. 0.50. That's TJF for ES. We don't have TJF for NQ, obviously. Weekly open was yesterday target. But I can probably agree with you. I'm not going to analyze NQ. I don't want to do this just yet. Looking for a move on ES lower, like 5 points lower. Yeah, seems like gold wants to drop first. At least we don't have any other entry to enter long. I don't use New York midnight open on gold. Never tried. I don't know the action. Target yesterday New York. Maybe, you know, like I don't want to argue about this. I want to see lower anyway. Yeah, like previous day low level is PPI low, like data low. Yeah, maybe. Empty model will be for long anyway. Because right now we're in discount. Prefer to take Asia low and TJF level on ES. What else we have? Like not necessarily wait for 10. Maybe we'll get something before 10. Let's see. It's going to be high impact news. Yeah, red folder news at 10. It will offer volatility, but I believe at 10 a.m. we will get like delivery. This means setup will occur early to deliver us at 10 a.m. It's just maybe going to be expansion, you know. Funny to see like how ES and NQ dropping while YM is going higher. Crazy. At 10 a.m., I will send you the form to participate in the giveaway, guys. At 10 a.m. By the way, my funded futures running sale right now for resets, like 15% off on reset. Because starting this week, I steam early to trade pre-market on gold. Maybe on CL, maybe on silver. To trade pre-market overall. So I will steam every day at 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market and chill during AM session. So far, I don't want to chill because I got break even. Like I didn't make any money. But we'll try again if I see any opportunity. Okay, I live in Florida, so I have normal time. Like 9:30 a.m. is 9:30 a.m. here. So I wake up at 8, not 8, 4:47 a.m. Of course, not to trade. 4:47. It's hard, but I force myself to do this. So we have equal lows lower at Asia low. Why so? To go to the gym, because I don't have any other time. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard right now to go 47. Yeah, my husband asked me like why 4:47. I don't know. It's hard for me to go to the gym after lunch recently, so I found myself like it's easier for me to go to the gym early in the morning. Like I was like, no one is going to be at the gym like at 5 a.m. Who's going to like? We don't have normal people who goes to the gym at 5 a.m. No, lots of people there, more than after lunch. I was surprised to see this. Anyway, so we don't have empty model yet. But I do like how he is moving lower right now to take this TJF. I said before 64.84.50. Slowly going. Or is he went there? Okay, we have TJF on ES. We have news at 10. Approaching previous day low level and weekly open, new week opening gap on NQ. So I do like this move lower. Honestly, I expect to get this move lower yesterday, not today. But that's fine. Where's my candles? Give it to me. I did test. Fresh. Okay. We got a fresh order block on 15-minute chart to confirm continuation on 4 chart to downside since we got 2 AM manipulation, London manipulation. But order block for the entry was only over here. So I believe with this order block, I would like to see we going down to previous day low level. Maybe equal lows. Watching previous day low level, weekly, not equal loss, weekly open, new week opening gap. Just interesting how big stop loss was initial of this order block. Only 60 points, like nothing. Like nothing. I would like to see slightly lower first, so I don't want to long just yet on Q or ES, not the spot yet to enter the trade. It's only break even so far. Let's switch on MNQ. Approaching previous day low level, as well as new week opening gap. Still not sure about target on yes. Also previous day low level, but I believe it's too much to ask. Let's try. Oh, you cannot see. Yes, sorry guys. Let's try to pull projections. Okay. Fourth edition lower. 15-minute projections. So basically between 2 and 2.5, I would like to see a reaction to the range between 1 and 1.5, and then potential drop again. Maybe. Watching move to this fair value gap. Maybe we'll not get this. Maybe it's just going to drop to new week opening gap immediately. What? Oh, lots of pairs to trade. Lots of. I can give you options like oil, gold, GC actually, silver. So many options. You will not believe that we have so many. Try at least this one. At least 5. It's okay. So he's kidding. We just hit 2 standard deviation on ES at this 15-minute manipulation like projection. I would say to the tick, trying to respect this level. Let's see if we get retracement up to this 2-minute fair value gap, and let's see how we can respect this area. This blue box, if you can see this on my chart, is TGIF box. Yeah, news in 7 minutes. It's going to be red folder news. I believe we can get expansion immediately. Seems like I just want to drop, and that's it. without any retracement down. Retracement up, not down. Yeah, it's interesting. What will happen at 10? What kind of move we can get at 10? My yesterday target was weekly open on NQ. In reality, just reach what level we reached yesterday? Like previous day low level reversed and just stuck in consolidation until the rest of the day, until the end of the day, right? So far, just trying to drop to this weekly open, new week opening gap finally. And I didn't really have target on the new week opening gap, and that's it. We have equal lows at 587.50, but that's like lots of points to drop, like 200 points. Hard to believe in this. Hello, hello, guys. Hello, hello. News in 5 minutes. Be careful, everyone. Yeah, have a great weekend as well. It's my son's birthday on Sunday, so yeah. I hope this weekend is going to be nice. Yes, have micros. Yes. Just add it's going to be like micro CL, micro gold. For silver, it's going to be a bit different. Like this. $22 points retracement so far. Guys, news in 3 minutes. Just be careful. Waiting for news right now. MNQ. Be careful, guys, with news. Yes, red folder news, guys. News came out. Guys, be careful right now. Okay, guys, news came out. Let's see what kind of reaction we can get. We just took this. No, we got equal lows so far. That's pretty much equal lows. Right. So it's 10 a.m. Let's see if we get silver bullet or something like this. I don't see empty model just yet. MNQ took this low. Okay, let me check. I see this. Yeah, you're right. Interesting to see. Right now, we're trying to respect this 2-minute order block. So basically, since I'm sorry, guys, low wasn't taken, it's still valid empty model for long. I wouldn't long this, of course, but let's see where is 2R. Like here. Extremely risky trade. It will not come back. Are you talking about NQ right now? Or gold? Good job, good job. Oh, NQ, okay. I'm up $2 because of my break-even trade. Watching gold right now. So basically we took, it failed to take equal lows, but it also failed to take, I mean like, it's tricky area right now on gold. We swept previous low, right? But it left equal lows and previous day low level, lower. But we got potential sweep after we sweep this, after we swept this low, confirmed by order block. So right now tricky area, so not sure about the trade yet. Hey, wait, come on. Oh, okay. Like, yeah, it left equal lows, previous day low level lower. Also, we have untapped 2-hour fair value gap higher. So I know, like, I would try to go up to short to previous day low level first, but I know. Like, let's say, like, I am market maker. Ideally, I would like to see go up to drop to previous day low level first. Like, you got the point, right? Something like this. This is what makes sense to me, at least. Because I would like to see lower, yes, but I don't want to short on, as I mentioned before, from this area. Feel tricky right now. Let me see how big risk at this point. Not from here, obviously. Like 4 points. 2.6 R. Guys, I would like to see something like this first. Too short. And then short from that area, from somewhere from this area down. We have low resistance to the upside, right? Like, yeah. Guys, ideas? Let me open gold. It's not silver, it's gold. Just would like to see something like this. And short, like my initial plan was like this. So let's see if this move will be enough. Guys, who loves this long and who votes for this long type 1 in the chat? Let's see how many people want to long this with me. No, but not because I said that, like your opinion about this trade. And two, if it's going to fail, just interested in your opinion about this trade. You short on gold? Are you serious? You just destroyed my world. How? Why? Why don't want to see equal highs and 2-hour fair value gap first? It's going to be clearly move from external to internal on medium time frame. Why not? Just tell me. I'm just trying to understand because I am British as well, but what makes logically makes sense to me is just go to from external to internal on medium time frame. Why not? Right now I don't feel comfortable. Clearly, like makes sense to pump. Don't be scared. I'm just asking. I see this as A plus long. I just don't understand why. I mean, like, why not to pump to internal range liquidity and drop hard from that area? Yeah, don't trade this if you like. I'm just asking you guys, what do you think about this trade? Oh. Ideal plan. I just typed this in the chat. You think it's going to drop because everyone too long this? Because, yeah, like it's obvious long to internal range liquidity. But target remains lower. I still would like to see lower anyway. Like equal lows and previous day low level. I'm waiting for the test right now. Let's see how we can respect this retest. I'm not sure about entry, just approximately. Ideal plan for me. What will happen in reality, I have no idea. I like this long, would like to engage in this long if I can get right now opportunity to engage in this. Okay, my question for you, when we have bearish trend, why you don't want to consider move from external to internal back to external as a part of this trend on high time frame? It's still a part of the trend, right? No? Because I already said when I'm bearish, I'm totally fine to long if it's going to be move of as a part of high time frame trend, which we call like move from external to internal. It's still, if it's, let's say we got bearish trend, I don't care which asset it is. Let's say we got bearish trend, we got external range liquidity, but we still inside bearish trend. Move to internal still will be part of bearish bearish trend. Yeah, I agree with you, but still, especially when we're trading inside high time frame consolidation, sometimes makes sense to get move from discount to premium to drop again to discount. Yeah, because it's retracement. Even like I know it looks like complete reversal on 3-minute chart, but in reality, if I want to open 2-hour chart and just hide drawings to show you something, it's going to be just retracement. Look at this. Overall, with this move down, it failed to take it failed to offer break of structure to downside again. What this means at this point, we can try. I don't know if we can get this. I cannot see the future, but we can attempt to take this equal highs to drop again to offer break of structure. I'm just trying to think logically right now about this long. Once again, I don't want to like stick to one bias. I'm just trying to find logic behind the trade. And if then idea is, yes, it failed to take equal highs by 1 point. That's fine. This happens. Nothing wrong with this. So at this point, I might anticipate to get, since it failed to break this high. Okay, I anticipate to get moved down to sell side, which is where? Over here. As you can see, it failed again. What I would like to see? I would like to see an attempt to take high again. But it still is going to be part of bearish trend. Overall target remains lower to equal lows. If I was market maker, I would do something like this. I really would like to engage in this trade. Let's see if I can engage. I will engage in this trade if it's going to respect fair value gap. Yes, that's my plan. If it's going to respect fair value gap, I will enter the trade. So I'm not on this trade. I will try to look for the trade of fair value gap. I don't trade fair value gaps, but basically, if I want to consider potential SIP, sometimes it makes sense to wait for another PD rate to confirm the entry. Yeah, we look for the entry of fair value gap. Give me 1 second. I'm going to highlight on Ninja Trader as well. Highlighted. Let's see. Give me the action. I will enter the trade. I will use market order in case it wants to offer the action. What about, give me 1 second, I'm going to check in queue real quick. Trying to pump. Interesting how NQ tried to drop from previous day low level without taking weekly open again, while NQ ES still stuck inside TJF area. Oh, you sent me on Instagram. Okay. Okay, guys, while we are waiting for the action, give me 1 second. I'm going to send you form for giveaway. It's my funded futures, right? Yes. What's the day today? Publish. Anyone with the link? Yes, anyone with link done. Okay, guys, going to send the link in the chat right now. Give me 1 second. With form to participate in giveaway. And here we go. Guys, I sent you form in the chat. Let me know if you can feel this. Perfect, I see. People start feeling this. Perfect. I didn't move anything section yesterday. Let me pin this message with Google form. I'm going to send twice. Give me 1 second. I mean several times. Oh. And I'm going to pin this message right now. So I pinned message with Google form. Good luck, everyone. So you guys doing this from my laptop right now. Something wrong with my internet, but I guess you can feel this form. Yeah. Oh, look at this move up, guys. Just feel the form. Perfect, guys. Good luck, everyone. I hope you're going to win today's scale plan again. So 2 days ago was 3 scale plan. Today is core plan. No, yesterday was core plan. Today is scale plan again. Okay, guys. Let's come back to price action. I cannot select which I like more. Personally, I have core plan because I decided to try just cheapest option. So core plan, just once again, you can try this cheapest plan to see how it works for you. I mean, like, I have no complaints. Like scale plan or core plan, best one. If you're pretty much profitable, you can try this Pro Plus immediately. While volume is so low on my mic, I don't know. It should be okay. It says I said it at 85%. It should be okay. Something wrong with my internet, my laptop, trying to figure this out. Oh, you tried expensive option? Yeah. core plan, scale plan is way to go. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. It's nice. Because, yeah, mic is fine. But not internet connection on my laptop. It's easy. Yes, it's easier. So look at this move up. I absolutely in love with this move up, the action from fair value gap. Considering low resistance, let's see where's 50% first. $33.91.4. Where was your entry, if you don't mind me to ask? I call this like first barrier for price to go higher. 33.91.4 should be retested. And we will try to look for the action from there. I'm sorry, guys. I tried today ice bath again in gym. And you know, normally 37 degrees is fine for me. I go there without any problem, especially if it's like lunchtime. I don't feel like it's extremely cold to me, 37 degrees. But in the morning, it feels like, I don't know, like negative temperatures. It's so cold. I don't know why it's so cold when I go to 37 degrees at 5 a.m. I don't know why, but feels crazy. And it's like always feels crazy. 34. Yeah, it feels like extremely cold. I don't know why. Oh, it's hot then. It's pretty much it's similar temperature in Florida right now. 34. What's the temperature today? Like 31 right now. It's only 10 a.m. Always feels crazy. In Q, let's see in Q. Funny to say, but yes, looks more bearish than in Q. And my concern on NQ is it failed to take a weekly open again. I hate it. We have equal lows as well. I know, I feel like I'm more bearish on YM and ES, but I'm not sure about NQ. That's why I don't like NQ recently. I'm just trying to figure the bias, and I don't know. Like watching at this, like, I know about the bias. Guys, I pinned the message with Google form to participate in giveaway. If you would like to participate in giveaway, just fill the form. I remove anything section, just username, your name, and your email. That's it. And my internet still doesn't work. Oh, got it. Finally. No. Oh, okay, yeah, got it. Don't forget, you need to create account with link provided there. You need to have account with my funded futures to participate in this giveaway. I provide link, just create account with this link. That's it. You mean if you're not going to participate, probably you're never going to win. Right? MNQ doesn't have equal lows, I see. While NQ has it. We have questions about this. It's Friday, going to chill. Like, funny, for example, for this empty model, like I need to put my stop loss 1 tick below the swing point. It was like really 1 tick away on NQ, and on MNQ you could stop out at this trade. Really. But on NQ, no. Check guys MNQ right now. See? I easily could be stop at this trade. My concern is ES in NYM is bearish, but never win. So don't give up. One day. You know, M2 model play out on NQ but failed on MNQ. If I would trade this, I would trade this on MNQ. I could stop at this trade easily. Ridiculous. But as I said, I'm not going to trade NQ. We are not friends anymore, but can try to analyze this. We are not friends anymore. So I would like to see probably NQ slightly lower. What about gold? Let's come back to gold. Let's see what we have there. We have lots of SMTs at these highs. We still have low resistance to upside. I would like to see the test of 50% of this big wick on 3-minute chart. Let's see if we get at least moves there. If not equal highs, but at least 391.40. Let's see. It's struggling. Just see how consolidating it is so far. I mean, I'm totally fine to sit without trade at all. Like, nothing wrong with this, just... I'm totally fine to be break-even on the day. But expect it to get more from Friday. Friday, come on. What I expected from Friday? I didn't expect from Friday anything. I just still feel like framework for distribution on daily is more bullish, but at least to this equal highs. I don't know. It's just choppy. Just choppy. Guys, if you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway, see pin message in the chat. Easy to fill the form. Just someone Dasha used to know. Exactly. Exactly, that's true. Why it's so choppy? So, you know, I will not be surprised to see like another reaction of this potential sweep once we can close below sequence of up close candles lower again. So probably yes. I will only accept like potential short if it's going to invert 3-minute fair value gap and offer a 3-minute OB. It's going to be basically changing the smart money reversal to downside. That's what I mean. Like closure, smart money reversal to downside. Okay, I will accept this fact. It's fine then. I know, let's see. What I mean by this, so once again, it failed to take 50%. Maybe that's okay, since overall structure is bearish. But if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles in 1 minute, invert the 3-minute fair value gap, so yeah, it has a chance to drop to equal lows and previous day low level. I will accept this fact, so it's okay then. Still surprised to see how it doesn't how it's struggling to pump to this equal highs. Maybe that's okay. Once again, we're trying to respect trend line so far, right? Like That's okay. That looks good for downside move. Yeah, I'm fine. So it is what it is. No complaints. It's Friday. So just going to enjoy the day if it's not going to present anything good. Okay, we got the closure below sequence of up close candles. Still trying to consolidate over here. 1.4 again. Did not invert fair value gap just yet. I'm not going to force any trades anyway. Like, if nothing, then nothing. Guys, if you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway, you can fill the Google form. Yeah, I do speak Russian, yes. Hmm. Tricky spot right now. Cannot short this move, obviously. We don't have smart money reversal to confirm this move down yet. I need to have inversion over here. So you guys didn't need the chart. Oh, congratulations with payout on free account. You know, it's not really ugly price action. Today is Friday. What do you anticipate to get? Come on. I'm break even on the day, so better than take losses, right? Yeah, this month is must be like this. Friday price action. Yeah, it's a column blue in price action. Come on. You know about this. Your task is just survive in this price action. But once again, it wasn't bad at all. Even gold looks good to me. Yes, it didn't hit my TP like here. It didn't hit TP over here. It's fine. But once again, overall structure was good. At least it presented opportunity, right? No complaints about this. Just can't. Okay. Once again, it wasn't bad today. Guys, don't forget to participate in giveaway. My funded future scale plan. Now I trade turtle soups only. As the action from high time frame level. Like medium and high time frame turtle soup with low time frame entry. That was first my long trade. It stopped me out at break even when it was like 1.6 point away from TP. Crazy. Here's another opportunity to enter a long trade. Discussed this before if you just joined. Still believe we need to take 2391.40 and 2 hours equal highs. We already argue about this trade because many people said it's going to fail. But I still believe we need to pump there, like at least 2391.4. I already explained many times why. It's not like because of ICT concept or any like strategy, it just logically makes sense. Right? I'm not talking about once again equal highs. Yes, I do like to see equal highs, but first, like resistance barrier for price to go higher will be 50% of this week. Rejection block, right? Basically, 50% of it can be liquidity level when we have big, like huge week. Rejection block is also liquidity level. So I do consider 50% as the same way as a high of the candle. Make sense? I talk about this many times, guys, but once again, when you say like NQ is ugly price action, I have like friend, he always complains about NQ price action, and I always ask him like, why not to trade different asset? Like, why not to trade different market? Like, so many opportunities there. But we just stick to this NQ chart and that's it. That's why I said like, guys, don't ask me about NQ because of you, I'm going to be addicted. Lots of people trade gold, and I don't know, like it's pretty much predictable price action. When you ask me about what about gold NQ, I mean like why you forcing me like to open NQ chart again? If I'm going to be addicted because I'm close to this, it's going to be because of you guys. I would say gold respects every single strategy, every single concept, every single pattern. I know it's pretty much straightforward. And it really works like if this and this. So it's pretty much works in this way, which I like. That's because I cheated on me. That's because in Keeper's action garbage, and I don't want to sit on my like butt and wait for any step to occur, which probably will not happen. I hate this chop, not going to lie, but I do like to see pump to this 50% once again, which I consider as buy side. So far, it's up like 1 hour only. It's not a problem, especially when consolidation 1 hour is, I guess, best way to take profit, take partials. But I'm just trying to find logical levels. Also, it's almost 2 hour at this 50% of week. It's slow, maybe because it's Friday, you know. Pretty sure if it was like any other day but not Friday with like bigger volume, we already went to the TP. Yeah, if you just notice, check how NQ acts after 10:30, you will see that it's just garbage. They're really consolidation, small range, tight range there. Pretty sure we have something like this right now there. See this? It's garbage. Nice reaction from 3 minutes fair value gap. We're really trying to respect that one. Guys, if the joint would like to participate in giveaway, just fill the form, pinned message in the chat from my funded futures. Scale plan. NQ, please don't ask me about NQ, please. So I will announce winners in 20 minutes, guys. Just don't ask me about NQ price action. So I will announce winners in 18 minutes. At 11, so you still have time. I had trade week on Apex last week, and I have green week so far, trading only gold. At this moment, yes, I stopped trading in Q. Like, not forever, but I just see gold better. Gold is old. Old is gold. Exactly. It's low today, but it is what it is. And our task is always, no matter what, from entry we had to enter initially to move at break even. For example, it's 1.555 right now. What we must do, we must move at break even at this point, always. And let me make a note. Not from your entry, but from the entry where you had to enter, according to the model. Right? Oh, no typos today. Oh, that's a progress. That's key true for us. So basically, you adjust your 2R not from your entry, but from the entry where you had to enter according to the model. For example, we got sweep, we got like open of next candle, your stop is pivot point, swing point, and you're aiming for 2R. 2R is going to be Over here. But we're aiming for liquidity level at this point. It's close to 2R. So once it's 1.5R from original entry where you had to enter, you must move at break even. Make sense? Or you must move stop loss to the place where you had to enter initially. It's just slow, it's low volume today. But here's your rule. You must follow this rule always. For PDF, I use Canva. That's it. Basically, you create a file and just save it as PDF. So basically, this long is exactly the same long as was explained over here. It just didn't play out. It didn't play out here as well yet. I'm watching for 50% at least. I don't know if we get this. Who knows? But slow, definitely slow, and that's annoying. Yeah, pretty much straightforward model. On gold, I trade just one model. That's gold. GC. It will be funny to see like again, like drop, but it's part of the game. Let's see where's OT. Yeah, stuck at this OT so far. Like New York Midnight Open again. No, that's interesting. Did you backtest this? Tell me how often gold respects New York Midnight Open. I'm going to highlight just for now. Give me 1 second. Oh, interesting. I never use this, and I never trade this with a strategy that I trade gold. So that's interesting. In Q dropping hard. Okay. Okay, guys, 10 more minutes to enter giveaway. Equal lows, probably it wants to aim for equal lows. As I said before, yes, ES is more bearish than NQ, and YM is more bearish than NQ. We just stuck within this TJF range. Okay, today's price action on gold, it's not bad, it's just low volume. So what you anticipate to get from low volume price action? It's normally consolidation, right? So it's still okay. Sometimes you can get like delivery for 10, 15 points on gold within like 5 minutes. If it's news, even less, like 20 seconds. We have right now SMT at highs. Guys, participate in giveaway. Come on, gold. What are you doing with us? Let me move a bit. What a garbage slow move. Two points away. It's okay. Okay, guys. What do you think about 50% of 3-minute week? Should we hit this? Should we hit equal highs maybe? It's just slow. I believe we must, like not should, we must hit 3391.40. Pink? Oh no, that's ugly pink. Better. Normal magnet should make this faster, like offer the speed. Like a bit more. See how slow it's moving? Pretty slow. So much power. I'm serious right now. I'm just like without this magnets, it might just make sense to me. When we have huge week, it's normally like liquidity level. Like 50% of this week is liquidity level. I still would like to see like equal high staking, but 50% of this week makes more sense. It was like 1.3 points away. Not good, not great to see this. It's just low volume, but I agree with you. I agree, yeah. It's just slow. But I'm not sure which words, honestly. I would say in Q. No, not in Q. Look at ES. I will announce winners in 5 minutes. Oh. Win word for our fair value gap, okay. I kind of would like to see YM lower. Is this for no 1 hour? I don't mind to see YM lower. Take a break. Yeah, it's slow. I reduced size significantly recently to trade this month because like I'm happy to trade 3-5 micros. It's way better than trade like regular size and be chopped in this ugly consolidation. Pretty much once again low volume. I'm surprised that like this month is so like a low volume, so slow consolidation because I anticipate to get some sort of price action like this. I mean, in June. NQ, don't ask me about NQ, please. Trade 5 minutes. Oh, good advice. It's time to blow account immediately. You expect to drop on NQ? Oh, I got it. Yeah, me too. You're not alone with this. Yes, exactly. NQ, please. Don't ask me about NQ, please. I'm trying AA trades. What is this? It's so slow. Like it sees this time like 18 seconds, and we just barely move 1 tick on this candle on 3-minute chart. Oh, it's a name. Sorry about this. Just full port, everyone. Full port short or long, or both. One will play out 100%. I'm not fan of price action on NQ recently, especially this month. I already mentioned before, I'm not doing well on NQ on my Apex account. So because of NQ, okay, because of me, but because of NQ, I ended up in big drawdown on my Apex accounts. To both sides, exactly. Okay, let's announce winners. It's going to be a better idea. Maybe something will happen on gold at this point. I know. Oh, 419. Oh, anyway, 396. First winner. First winner is our first winner. I have empty space on my chart. Oh, you cannot see this. I'm sorry. Okay, over here. Okay, next winner. 130. Screwing up. And next one. Last one. Best one. Scam. I'm so sorry. 303. Okay. That's not me. Blame Google for this. It's not me. Exactly. Congratulations, winners. Congratulations, winners. Scam. I said blame Google for this. It's not because of me. Entry was at 950. So last time to trade gold between 950 and 1010. So it was the last time it was valid trade. I got break even on this long. Exactly same approach, exactly same idea. Feels like I was early. It was close to TP. It's scam. It's illegal. Yeah, of course I can show you, but just I don't want to show emails, people's emails. I can try to hide them. By the way, my fund teacher is running 15% off on the sets right now. I know it's like flash sale, as I understand. So good chance to set account with 15% off. So if you want the explanation of this trade, I explain this in real time. You can just watch the recording after stream. Also, rainbow magnets gives you normally like 101% win rate. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Someone just typed that he is winner. So sometimes people just participate and leave the chat because if they're winner, they're going to receive email. You long yes. You said you made your profit, no? So I already said my 20 Apex accounts in big drawdown. I don't touch them. I trade take profit trade in my fund futures. 200, and you decided to trade for $200 today on Friday in the shop. That's smart decision. Yes, I see it. I'm funded with Apex with 20 accounts for a long time, but once again, if I'm going to blow them, it's going to be because of NQ. I'm going to blame NQ. It's okay. I mean, I always can pass again. Yeah, you got it. Normally I risk like I don't want to risk more than $300, $350. Sometimes 400, but not more than this. Normal 350. And yeah, I was intro down last week, 2 weeks ago, and I traded in Q on Apex. I am pretty much green. Like I have just one red day on my MyFund Futures account where I traded in Q. I got this. I passed my MyFund Futures accounts like long time ago to trade gold on it, and I decided to just try to trade in Q one time, and of course I stopped out. But I'm green almost every day on gold trades. 40 cents away. 40 cents away. 3-5 micros on but I'm making like $500. 500 on my financial account just trading gold with 3-5 micros. See this? Scam. Oh, you lost two trades. What? Oh, you traded in Q. I'm not surprised. Like that's why when people ask me about NQ, I always say like, no, please. You forced me to be addicted. Don't do this. If he passes on Monday, he has funded account. What? Classic. Let's do full reversal. 20 cents away. What about V-shape reversal from current area? Why? Because? I wasn't in the trade as well. Over here, I stopped out at break even. Guys, if you want to close right now. Please, close right now. Because it's going to play lots of games right now. It's just not worth it. Just close this trade. Not worth it. I don't want to like feel unnecessary stress on this trade. That's it. I already said like it's funny. I'm going to show you something right now, guys. It was empty model for long. On NQ it looks okay. Fine. But guys, exactly same setup. I'm sorry guys, on M and Q. It failed. Raise drawings. It failed. Basically, it was one tick away from stop loss over here. But as you can see, low was taken. This means it could be stop on NQ if I decide to engage here. See? 20 cents away. What about V-shaped reversal? Like for no reason? Okay. Like SMT between NQ and NQ. I don't want to believe in this. I'm not going to lie. I still like NQ, MNQ, SMT. No, I don't believe in this. Few days back. Share with me. Did you say something bad about me? I just watch. I just look at ES. You serious? You decided to trade this garbage? You serious? No, you don't want to do this. Trading is hard, unfortunately. Just need to be cold, like no emotions. And I guess hardest part when you read is it's to stay away from like recovering from losses. It's hard. And my best recommendation when you like you took a loss and you're trying to okay, I will start from the very beginning. When you're taking loss and you want to recover you, it's like let's say you just get funded, right? You have fresh funded account. When if your first trade is red, you're like, no, I don't want to be in like red the very first day. Let me try to recover. And when you're trying to recover, 99.99999% of the time, you have no bias, you have no setup, you have no model. Simply your desire to recover. That's it. Nothing else. And this is what helps you. Give me 1 second. To blow your account. Yeah. And best advice is just close trading platform, trade away whatever you trade. Close your trading platform, turn off your computer for 30 minutes, just walk away and come back with fresh mind. Okay, nothing bad. Okay, thank you. It's okay to take classes. Really, it's okay to take classes, but you need to manage these classes. And worst part, try to stay away from recovering. Like, uh, it's impossible. I mean, it's possible you can be lucky if you went from red to green, but 99.9999% of the time, it's not going to work. Um, yes. So yeah, you don't want your kids. Okay. Yeah, it's a good choice, you know. Like you don't need to wake up every 20, 30 minutes in the night. Like it's ready. Just cook for them and that's it. SMT settings, of course. They sleep almost all night. Like here's for gold. Can you see? Oh, let me move a little bit to the right. You probably cannot see because of my photo. My oops, my bad. Because of my video. Here settings. Let me know. I can actually type what kind of instruments you can use for CL, for NQ. I guess for NQ you know, but for gold, here it is. One, one husband. Yeah, good advice by the way about reducing size. Mm-hmm. Agree with you on this. So gold is slow, guys. If you this trade, you can close. Just trust me, it's going to be better. That's it. Yeah, one, of course. Of course. Did someone ask you if I'm single? Not yet. We're ready for this. Okay. Market became even slower than it was before. Your scalp, yes, still looks garbage. I know why. It's still garbage. It deserves more. Okay. Mm. Okay, that's it. So it's just not worth it to hold to this TP. Probably that's it. It was 20 cents away. That's it. I already announced winners like 15 minutes ago. You got long on Евro when? What time? I'm going to be done for the day, for the week. I'm going to enjoy um my day. It just too slow right now. As I said, it's best time to close the trade is here. That's not worth it. I remember your birthday is going to be October or September, right? October, right? Or September. I don't remember. I think it was September or October. So don't worry. You don't need to participate. I will. It's going to be my gift. September. What day? I don't remember. September. Let me guess. 25. Okay. I will give you a count on your birthday. So it's just not worth it. You got. I want to see this 50%, but that's it. That's already. Best idea is to close the trade as I said before over here, and that's it. So not worth it right now. Never win. It's not because of me. It's because of Google. He created or it's created this random number generator. It's not me. Blame Google. I can send you email, Google email, so you can contact them saying like, what is going on? I cannot win with you. You celebrate your birthday every day. In 10 days, okay. I will not stream next week on Thursday because I'm going to Miami, but I will stream the rest of the week anyway. It's going to be August 21st, right? Every 5 days. Okay. You break out. Oh, what? Okay, guys. It's okay, guys. It's impossible to win every day. I will see you next week. Once again, I'm not going to stream on Thursday next week because I'm going to Miami. But I will stream like from Monday. to Wednesday and on Friday. Not sure about Friday, but I think so. We are going to event there. Event at 5 p.m. But it's long trip, so I need to leave early, like 12. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me. I wish you perfect the rest of the week. Yeah, perfect weekend. Yeah, don't make stupid mistakes, as I always say. NQ is a common blue in perception right now. You don't want to trade NQ, probably. Yeah, it's my son's birthday on Sunday, so I'm going to celebrate this. I'm not going to, of course, relax. It's impossible to relax with 2 kids. But I wish you a perfect weekend, guys. I don't trade London. I mean, like, yeah, I wake up at 4:47 a.m., but no. Enjoy the, yeah. Guys, enjoy your weekend and thank you. Thank you for watching me. Bye, guys.